Good morning, children. Welcome to the online session of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Do you remember my name? Yes, I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. So I had taught you the numbers from 1 to 10. Isn't it? You have done problems with numbers 1 to 10. Joycey ma'am had taught you the operations like subtraction and addition using the numbers 1 to 10. Isn't it? So today we will learn the numbers after 10. That means the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, so shall we go and learn it? Okay, so I have a pen here and this pen shows 1. Okay, now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So I have 10 pens here. How many pens? 10 pens here. And this 10 pens becomes a set of 10. This is 1 10. This is equal to 1 10. Now, let me show you. Take another pen. Let me take another pen. And this is 10 and 1. 10 and 1 makes 11. What does it make? 11. 10 and 1 makes 11. Now, I will take one more pen. So, 10. This is 10 and this is 2. So, 10 and 2 makes 12. Now, 10 and 3 makes 13. 10 and 3 makes 13. And 10 and 4. These are 10. And these are 1s. So, 10 and 4 ones makes 14. Okay? Now, 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 5, 15. And 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. And 10 and 10. 10 and 10 makes 20. So, how many tens do you have now? Yes, there are 2 tens, isn't it? Now, there are 2 tens over here and it makes the set 20. Okay? So, now you have learned the numbers from 11 to 20. So, you remember what are the tens and what are the ones and what are the numbers from 11 to 20. Okay, children? Let us learn how to build the numbers from 11 to 20. You already have learned the number 10. We know that 10 ones make 110. Let us see how 10 ones make 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 ones or 10 blocks of ones and that is equal to 110. So, 10 ones make 110. So, in the number 10, there are 1 tens and 0 ones. Okay, did you understand? So, remember children, 10 ones make 110. Let us go to the next number 11. What do you see? Yes, this is 110, isn't it? Yes, 110 and 1 makes 11, isn't it? So, 110 and 1 make 11. So, when you write it, how many tens are there? Yes, 1 tens and how many ones are there? 1 ones. Okay. So, now let us go to the next number. What is the next number? Okay, let us see what it is. First you take a 10 and then take 1 and 2 ones. So 10, 1 10 and 2 ones makes 12, isn't it? So how can we write it? Yes, you write it as 1 10 and 2 ones and the number is 12. Okay? Next, let us see the next number, 13. How can we write it? Yes, it is 1 10 and 1, 2 and 3 ones. So together they make 30. So 1 10 and 3 ones make 13. How do we write it? Yes, 1 and 3. So in the number 13 there are 1 tens and 3 ones, isn't it? So now let us go for the next number. So 1 10, 1, 2, 3 and 4 ones, isn't it? So 1 10 and 4 ones make 14. So how can we write it? Yes, we write it as 1 and 4. And how many tens are there? 1 tens. And how many ones are there? 4 ones. So 1 4 represents the number 14. Next, 15. 1 10 and how many ones? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones make the number 15. So there are 1 tens and 5 ones in the number 15. Now the next number 16. Yes. Let us see how to build it up. Yes, 1 10 and you take 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 10 and 6 ones make how much? Yes, it is 16. And there are 1 tens and 6 ones in the number 16. Now the next number 17. Okay, take 1 10 and take 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 ones. So the number is 17. So 1 10 and 7 ones make the number 17. And you write it as 1 7. And in the number 17 there are 1 tens and 7 ones. Okay, now let us go to the next number 18. Take 1 10 and take 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 10 and 8 ones make 18. And there are 8 ones and 1 10 in the number 18. Next number is 19. Take 1 10. Yes. And how many ones should be there? Yes, it should be 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Isn't it? So the number is 19. And 1 10 and 9 ones make 19. So there are 9 ones and 1 tens in the number 19. Now let us go to the last number 20. How do we write it? Okay, how do we build it up? Take 1 10 and take another 10. So there are 2 tens, isn't it? So 2 tens makes the number 20. Now how do we write it? Yes, there are only 0 ones and 2 tens in the number 20. So we have built up the numbers from 11 to 20, isn't it, children? Okay. So children, practice numbers 11 to 20 at home using the things around you. So today you have learned the numbers from 11 to 20. So see the animation video which is attached in the session and also write on the notes and practice the number names from 11 to 20. Okay, will you do that? Yes. And also I will give you 2 questions for a test. So do that also and answer it. Okay. So see you the next day. Till then, goodbye.